back to you.
Hello. 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 Come on, excuse me, but no desire to talk to me.
Yeah, I'll be doing.
This one's a handful right here.
I thought they'd be whooping it up when you came in.
Sometimes.
Are you sweet?
Hello.
Are you a sweetie?
Now, how long you had that big red one?
We've only had this for about 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Which is the sweetest one in here?
Which is the sweetest?
Yeah.
I'm keeping low on sweet birds. A lot of the tamest ones and youngest ones have already been sold. A lot of these are breeders, which haven't been handled much. They were set up as breeders, left away from people because they wanted to bond with each other. So they may interact. Hi.
He seems to be
Hi.
pretty calm.
Yeah. Hi. That's just how it is when you want them to talk. They don't.
Yeah. I was telling
This is my parrot.
Is it?
Oh, is it?
You can go in every pet store in Maryland, you're not going to find another one.
What is it?
It's called a Major Mitchell,
What?
a Major Mitchell cockatiel, or some people call them Leadbetter cockatoos. They come from Australia. Australia doesn't export. So unless you find a breeder having success in breeding, you're not going to get one. We've only had 3 of them in 30-some
I'm
years we've been in
surprised somebody
business.
hasn't called you about him.
Well, once again,
Is it a male?
I'm not sure. We had a DNA. We had a male and a female. We sold one. I forget which of the 2 we sold. This one's a good talker when he wants to be.
Yeah.
Other ones here, they talk when they want.
Oh, do they?
But you, once again, they're trying to make them.
Yeah.
Easy. You want to get a hello at him. Hello.
Oh, this one said hello. This one.
Oh, that one said hello?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, he is up there talking.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one down
Is
here.
this one saying hello? Hello. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
That one pops that one's head.
I see that.
And if you separate them, they're good out pockets. It's a bonded pair that produce babies for it.
Oh.